Welcome to VideoZen, your ultimate destination for transforming your long-form videos into captivating shorts. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to one of our most innovative features, Video to Shorts. With Video to Shorts, you can effortlessly condense your lengthy videos into short, attention-grabbing clips that are perfect for social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Let me show you how it works. First, log into your VideoZen account and navigate to the Video to Shorts feature. Once you're in the Video to Shorts section, simply upload the long-form video you want to convert into a short clip. VideoZen will then analyze your video and suggest key moments to highlights. Here, we converted an Apple event video to help you understand better. VideoZen converted this video into different bite-sized videos, classifying on the basis of content. You can download these videos separately depending on your requirement. Next, you have the option to easily customize the duration and content of your short clip. You can trim the video, adjust the timing of each segment, and add and remove content depending on your requirement. Once you're satisfied with your short clip, with the click of a button, you can download your Video to Shorts creation in high-definition quality. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or social media enthusiast, Video to Shorts is the perfect tool to help you repurpose your long-form videos and maximize your reach online. So why wait? Try out Video to Shorts today and unleash the power of transforming your videos into bite-sized content that packs a punch with VideoZen.